at the birds and howl at the moon. And everybody loved it here but you. You drank through the days, 'cause the evenings end too soon. And everybody loved it here but you. No, this is not no more like the places you were before. No, this is not your version of the country. Forgetting all the words and singing out of tune. And everybody loved it here but you. Like the places you were before. And no, this is not your kind of country. We scream in the sun, pass out in the afternoon. And everybody loved it here but you. Getting all the words and singing out of tune. And everybody loved it here but you. And everybody loved it here but you. Slept outside in the summer and watched the dew settle on the grass. I went straight into town, but at the same speed came right back to my home, to my home, to my home, to wait for my wild love to find me. I got bruised by the autumn, like all the fruit left lying in the grass. I walked all around these hills, but at the speed of breaking glass. I went back home, I went back home, I went back home, to wait for my wild love to find me. To wait for my wild love to find me. Look, all the shit laying under the snow. I talked to the birds and the trees, and they told me I should never go, but stay back home, stay right home. So I stayed home.